All right, today we're diving into a hackathon project that's tackling one of the biggest problems in AI right now, your privacy. It's called ShadowKey, and it's all about putting you, the human, back in the driver's seat.
So let's just start with a really simple, direct question. We're all starting to use AI agents to make our lives easier, right? But can you actually trust them with your secrets?
The honest answer? Probably not. You see, right now, every single time your agent goes out and books a flight for you or buys a product, it's just leaking your personal data everywhere. We're talking payment info, your travel history, your login credentials. It's all getting logged by third parties you don't even know exist.
And this puts us in a really tough spot. It's this all-or-nothing trap. You either have to give your AI agent the keys to absolutely everything, or it just can't do its job. There's no in-between. No way to give it just a little bit of controlled access.
And this is the exact problem ShadowKey was built to solve. Think of it like a privacy vault, all governed by smart contracts, that puts you firmly back in control of your own data.
So, how does it all work? Well, ShadowKey isn't just one little feature. It's a whole privacy stack built on 5 key ideas that work together. With scoped policies, you can decide, field by field, exactly what an agent can and can't see. Privacy budgets stop those slow data leaks by capping how much access it gets over time. And for, ultimate security, there's even a dead man switch that can instantly shut off all access if you lose your phone or go inactive.
The best part? These aren't just promises. Every single rule you set is verifiable and, more importantly, enforced on-chain. And we're doing this on the base mainnet.
We pull this off using something called the Ethereum Attestation Service, or EAS. What it does is create this permanent, public audit log of every permission you grant. But, and this is absolutely crucial, your actual sensitive data, your secrets, they never touch the blockchain. Ever. Only the cryptographic proof that you gave consent does.
And here's the thing that makes this so practical right now. You're probably thinking, this sounds expensive, right? Well, thanks to Layer 2s like Base, the cost to register a brand new secure policy on-chain is less than a fraction of a penny. This is what makes real on-chain privacy finally affordable for everybody.
Now look, we know we're not the first team to work on digital privacy, but what makes ShadowKey different is that it's the first solution built from the ground up to solve the very specific privacy challenges that come with AI agents.
So you might be wondering, okay, but what about all the other privacy protocols I've heard of? It's a fair question. Let's take a quick look.
While amazing protocols like Lit, Privy, and Turnkey are fantastic for what they do, things like authentication or wallet management, they just weren't designed for this. Only ShadowKey gives you that fine-grained, field-level consent, those on-chain privacy budgets, that verifiable audit log, and an emergency lockdown switch, all packed into one solution.
And I want to be super clear, this is not just a concept on a slide deck. We have a working solution live on the base mainnet. There's an AI agent demo you can go try yourself, right now. We've got a published SDK on NPM for any developer who wants to build with it. And because everything is encrypted on your device, your secrets always stay yours. This is a real, complete, working platform.
So, where's all this headed? What's the vision? It's about building a future where we can finally actually trust our AI agents.
Our mission couldn't be simpler. We want to put humans back in control of their own data, especially now, in the age of AI.
So, I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Imagine the possibilities. In healthcare, in finance, in e-commerce, what could you build if your AI could finally, truly be trusted with your most important secrets?